Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're gonna be working on prettying up the front room area with some furniture. So today, IKEA day. Place is looking pretty sweet, dude. And the floor turned out so nice. So we got the front reception desk. Right now, I'm just kind of getting an idea of what we want to fill this place up with. We're gonna be having KMR merch, obviously. But we're also planning on selling, I also plan on expanding Poor Sports, which is my side brand. And that's gonna be dedicated to car parts, aftermarket car parts, anything from wheels to body kits. That's the plan, is we're gonna be handling all that here as well. We should really be going to a retail display store. But IKEA usually has pretty cool furniture for really cheap, and it makes you feel so accomplished after you put together IKEA furniture. It's like Lego for grown-ups. Try find peace, do some do-re-mis, only talking trees and sleepy people, my equals. Yeah, I'ma give it my best. Don't really know exactly what we're gonna be dedicating these areas to, other than I know we're gonna be having some KMR merch. Also, plan on selling more car stuff here, so actual aftermarket car parts. So now you guys got a small sense of exactly how big this front retail area is. Now it's up to us to kind of fill it up. So yeah, let's head to IKEA right now. All right, we're here, and I brought Angus with me. So we brought both cubes, both colorful cubes, except I forgot to bring my mask. So I'm gonna see if this kid has one. Bruv. Sup? Yeah. Do you have an extra mask?
Of course, sir.
Damn, thanks.
Black as well.
Oh, what? Nice. Whoa, cool. It's black. It's not that generic. Dude, I'm gonna turn it around like this. Okay, you know what? Make it easier for us. We'll switch to GoPro mode. Hey. All right, what I'm specifically looking for: coat hanger, clear glass display case, some lighting, and maybe this square bookshelf thing that has like no walls. Not too many things, just because I'm actually bringing most of the stuff from my other shop to the new one, so should fill it up somewhat. Oh, here. Nice. Yeah, the one I'm looking for is black. This is it. IKEA doesn't do pencils anymore. Alright guys, welcome to my new kitchen. Actually, that reminds me, we gotta make a stop at the cafeteria, pick up some Swedish meatballs. The pricing went up on those, which is sad, but it's like a psychology thing for them to put the cafeteria dead center of IKEA. It's because you can't make decisions when you're hungry. We got like 2 items out of the 4, but I think one of them sold out, so well, what's the deal? Didn't cheap out on the hot dogs. We got chili dogs and meatball subs. And our furniture. So let's load those up, and we'll see you guys at the garage. What do we got? Oh, glass. And here I was dropping the box on the ground like it was nothing. All right, let's get to building, shall we? So genius of IKEA. Swedish engineering. Look at this. This is like a glass leveler for the front door case, especially if you're working alone. So you basically put that on the corner. So you basically put it in the corner, and that way when you screw the glass piece on, it's perfectly level, and you don't have to worry about it being straight. That's one down. And I actually don't know where I'm gonna place that. Maybe in that corner. A few merch slats on the wall. We're probably gonna place our counter in that corner. And then a few of those, well, whatever's in that box in between these windows. And then of course, maybe like a few clothing racks and benches in the center here. But yeah, let's get this one built. Nice.
You can't see it says truth on it. And it was so like
Well, all right then. We managed to move a good chunk of the store here, but we probably are gonna have to save the rest of the trip for a U-Haul day because it didn't fit in the element. Other than that, guys, I think we're getting closer. So we've decided collectively as a team that this area is gonna be more like a chill area. So we're gonna put a TV here. I don't know which wall. This wall I still gotta paint, so probably not that wall. But yeah, so this is kind of like the lounge waiting room. And then over here is the retail space. I'd like to find some glass cabinets so we can put some of the car parts in there, like steering wheels. Actually, most of the JDM stuff that we carry. And of course, those retail slats that are supposed to go on the wall. Once those are here, I'm gonna paint those black, and then it'll look a little more unified in this room. But yeah, the clothing rack's all set up. This, I think I'm just gonna fill with some of my helmets, I guess, which will be for sale, but not the ones that I collect at home personally. But we're probably gonna end up getting some Power Rangers, some Kamen Rider, maybe some M56 masks if I get my hands on them. And then my idea is actually we'll be the only store that carries M56 stuff. So yeah, super excited about that. Now before I end the video, I wanna show you what the fellas are up to in the back. Voila. So none of the lights are actually on right now. This room is solely being lit by these super cheap LEDs that Angus picked up on Amazon. And kind of just gauging where they're gonna be putting the lights. But as you can see, it's fairly bright in here with just like these 6 lights. Damn. And then of course when you turn those lights on.
What do you think?
Like when
we have like 2 of them,
yeah,
on each row, 3 of them, like standing straight over the window.
It's gonna be bright. That's cool. Be sweet for photos.
So starting from the garage door, working the way to the back, and it would almost feel like a little bit offset.
What?
But
That's gonna be
then
insane.
like the insane lights down the middle.
So they're huge
Just
hexagons.
try to make it like spread out as evenly as possible.
Wow. That's one of the many posters that are going up on these walls. That's inspiration. That's the other one.
Where's the other one?
Whoa. These are high quality too.
Merry Christmas!